How to fix login error in Postmates. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and tap on your Wi-Fi. After it's connected, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. But if there are still any other issues, you can simply swipe up and navigate yourself to the application. Here's our Postmates application called MP Rider. Simply tap on it and click on App Info. After that, you want to click on Storage and Cache and simply click on Clear Cache. Click on Clear Storage and click on Delete. By doing so, the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.